Welcome to English Podcast
from Speak English with Ease.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English with Ease, the channel where learning English feels calm, simple, and natural. I'm Ava.
And I'm Noah. Hello, everyone. It's really nice to be here with you.
How are you feeling today, Noah?
I'm feeling great. Maybe a little sleepy, but excited for today's topic. How about you?
I'm feeling good too. And yes, I'm excited because today's topic is really useful.
Yes, today we're talking about phrasal verbs, right?
Exactly, but not just any phrasal verbs. Today we'll learn phrasal verbs for your daily routine that people use from morning to night.
Oh, that's perfect, because we use these words every single day.
Yes, and don't worry, we'll make them easy, slow, and natural.
Before we start, please like this video, subscribe to Speak English with Ease, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
Thank you so much. Okay, Noah, let's start our day. So, Noah, what's the first thing you do in the morning?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Perfect. Wake up means to stop sleeping.
Yes, and after I wake up, I get up from my bed.
Exactly. Wake up equals stop sleeping. Get up equals leave your bed.
Then I turn off my alarm.
Good one. Turn off means to stop a machine, and the opposite is turn on.
Right. I turn on the light, and sometimes I turn on my phone.
Same here. After that, I wash up.
Wash up. That means washing your face and hands.
Yes. Then I put on my clothes.
And if it's cold, I put on a jacket.
Perfect. And later you take off your jacket.
Yes. Put on, take off. Very common.
What about breakfast?
I usually sit down and eat breakfast.
Nice. And if you're late?
I rush out of the house.
Okay, now it's daytime. What do you do next?
I head out for work.
Good one. Head out means to leave.
Sometimes I run into a friend on the way.
That's nice. Run into means to meet someone by chance.
At work, I log in to my computer.
And then you get down to work.
Yes, get down to means to start doing something seriously.
What if you don't understand something?
I try to figure out the problem.
Perfect. Figure out means to understand or solve something.
And if my boss explains something again,
they go over it.
Yes, go over means to review or explain something.
What if work continues?
I carry on working.
Okay, work is finished. What do you do next?
I wrap up my work.
Good. Wrap up means to finish something.
Then I head back home.
At home, I take off my shoes.
And I sit down to relax.
Sometimes I lie down for a short rest.
Same. Then I look through my phone.
Look through means to quickly check or read something.
In the evening, I cook up something simple.
Nice. Cook up means to quickly prepare something, usually simple.
After dinner, I clean up the kitchen.
And maybe you throw away the trash.
Yes, or throw out old things.
Okay, it's night now.
I wind down.
Very important. Wind down means to relax before sleep.
I turn off the TV and put away my phone.
Then you get ready for bed.
Yes, I lie down, and finally, I fall asleep. See, everyone? Phrasal verbs are not scary.
They're part of daily life from morning
to night.
Start small. Use 2 or 3 phrasal verbs each day.
Write them down, say them out loud, and try to use them.
Okay, now it's your turn.
Which daily routine phrasal verb do you use the most?
Write it in the comments and try to make one sentence.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Thank you for learning with us today.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.